Anita Sufyani channel.
So guys, today we have Parul here. So Parul, how are you today?
I am good.
You're good? Yeah.
What about you?
Oh, I'm always good. So in this time we are going to we'll do some makeup for Parul, okay? And in between we're gonna like talk and share something about India and something that Parul doing in
Quarantine.
during the quarantine and what she used to do before the quarantine also. So we just like, you know, little bit chit chat. So if you guys curious what we are going to do right now, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, okay? So let's get started. First thing first, before we do anything, we need to sterilize our hand, okay? We need anything actually, like hand sanitizer, or like what I do
Wash
is
your hand with
yes
hand.
yeah. Okay, so after that Parul already applied moisturizer, but I will still apply more with La Roche-Posay. What are you doing during the quarantine?
Just chilling with my family and Netflix, watching Friends.
Friends?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I haven't watched Friends. Actually, it is
So funny.
yeah, and then it's long time ago serial.
Yeah.
It's been long time, yes.
But it's good.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
should
it's
watch.
good. Yeah. And it's very famous, by the way. Yeah,
Very, very famous.
very famous. So how's, I mean, like, what is Friends about?
It's a story of 4 friends who just live together.
Oh, living together.
Yeah. And just have fun. And all.
Haven't I tell?
It's a comedy.
Yeah, I
Comedy
know.
series, Yeah. I like it.
Okay. Yeah, actually during this quarantine we need, you know, something
Yeah.
that more funny, more jokes rather than the serious thing, because it's so stressful. Even we are staying at home, it's a little bit stressful because we can't do anything, right?
Yeah. Just eat, wake up.
Yeah, I woke up always like, actually this is a second day of Parul sleepover in our home. So Parul know that I woke up like we have like very late, because what I was thinking that what to do also, no, we don't have anything to do. I just feel that I want time pass very fast, like that. Okay, so before, I mean like before the quarantine, what do you used to do?
I was going for shoots for events.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shoot, oh yeah, by the way, Parul right now is doing modeling.
Before I was learning Spanish, now I'm doing modeling.
Oh yeah, but we can also learn more Spanish, right?
Because, but now I forgot most of the things.
Huh? But no,
But I can try.
okay, no, but that also happened with me. Why? Because I used to learn Chinese, Mandarin, like, you know, long time, like I think 8 to 10 years. But whatever I have learned till my senior high school time, I forgot everything. Because you know, language you have to keep trying, keep
you have
keep
to be
learning.
constant.
Yes.
If you are learning any new language,
yes.
you have to learn every day.
Yes.
You have to give half an or 1 hour every day.
Yes. To keep learning, keep
Yeah.
practicing. Otherwise, it's just like, you know, you will feel that you forgot everything.
Yeah.
By the way, today I'm using my foundation, so all the products is mine. So if the skin tone will be like little bit brighter, I will just manage later with the powder. What do you feel after, because like modeling stuffs are new, right, for you? So what do you feel? You feel so happy, or like?
Yeah, I feel so comfortable in front of the camera, and I'm missing my shooting days.
Yeah, actually it's because if you love your job, you will feel that you miss all of things. How is modeling industry here? I mean, like, how is the photographer? They are professional, right?
Basically, it's depend on you.
Yeah, agree. How you
Yeah.
carry on yourself, because
What is your image in front of
Them.
Photographer or anybody.
because in fact that they can still try to do some bad things or bad stuff to you, right? Still depend on you. If you can, you know, keep yourself, and then you can, like, you know, like giving boundaries to them,
Yeah.
being professional, they will not do anything.
Because nowadays bad people are everywhere in every
I
job.
agree.
Every job, not in only modeling. People
Yes,
like
yes.
modeling is that and
Yeah,
that,
yeah, I know.
but it's okay. It's all depend on you.
Yeah. How you carry
Yeah.
yourself. I saw you have done some photo shoots also, like wearing Burberry.
That's not mine. That's for Pearl Academy students.
Oh.
Photo shoots. The outfits
but-
are not mine.
I know. No,
Outfits
yeah,
are
yeah, but
not mine.
that's good. Still, yeah.
I can't say anything.
You can't see.
No.
Okay.
My skin is very bad.
Yeah, it's dry.
Suggest me
actually.
something
More
like cream or
yeah.
after lockdown I will consult a doctor, skin doctor.
Yeah. See, you know, if you have a dry skin, what I can suggest, you have to keep applying the moisturizer, and don't forget to apply mask. You know, like hydration mask, kind of
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Yeah. You can just purchase on Nykaa in India or Sephora. They have good products. And yeah, that's what I suggest. Mask is really important, and it can boost your skin also getting better and better, and especially in the night, because you know, I love wearing mask in the night. Why? Because in the night, if we after applied, in the morning it will be like showing you, you know, like glow skin. Yeah, immediately. So mask and moisturizer, and of course drink more water. Yeah, water is more important actually. Now we are applying the concealer. So today we are going to make like a bold makeup, but not like that bold.
Bold eyes.
Yeah, bold eyes
Uh,
and nude
Subtle,
lipstick. She requested already.
so do you like Bombay or Delhi?
Okay, frankly saying, I love Bombay. Okay, and I think my loyal followers already know like how I love Bombay.
Even I want to shift to Bombay. Yeah.
But you know, Bombay is a tough life for me. I mean, like, because I observe now everything. It's a tough life because everyone is struggling over there in
Yeah.
all you know, in all subjects or whatever the jobs they are looking for. Everyone is struggling over there. So it is good, but at the same time you need to know what do you want to do over there.
Okay.
Yeah, because you know,
Actually, I heard that people don't know what to do, and they go to Bombay.
yes, and they
And
will
they
just
struggle,
struggling
yeah.
over there a lot, because you know, I have been 4 years right in Bombay, and I have met a lot of people, and sometimes like I asked like even bloggers and all, they told me like, you know, they're staying with some other friends in the same apartment, and they are sharing the apartment, and some other people also saying that I'm not doing anything, I'm just doing the, you know, like just struggling and trying to struggle. And even like I heard like Vince's friend also like doing the same thing. So I was like, wow, like, you know, how Bombay are so much like people like really want to stay there, but also at the same time they don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Because it's money, because you know, living cost in Bombay is way more
Bombay is
expensive,
yeah.
more expensive rather than in Delhi. That's what I thought. Yeah. Yeah.
Like friends suggest you should do this thing, and they decide, okay, I will do, but they don't know what they want to do.
Yes. No, but there are
Right.
some people also, they already know. For example, they want in entertainment.
Most of the people know, but some people are na, just
Yeah.
say, you said do this thing, and okay, without thinking anything. Or,
Yeah.
Okay, I will do.
Yeah. Actually, there are so many people like that.
So don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that. And then like, if you want, and if you have big guts, like, you know, like I really want to do this, okay, but first frankly saying, you have to have enough money because staying in Bombay is so costly, especially in
But
apartments and all.
you can do job and earn and give the rents and all, but
Yeah, but you have to know, na?
Yeah.
You have to know what job you are going to do.
Listen to your inner voice, what you
Yeah.
want to do,
Yes.
and what you are best at.
I
Yeah.
agree. But for staying, actually, Bombay is the safest place for me.
Yeah, most of the people
Yeah,
say.
very safe. I feel so happy if I'm staying in Bombay. But for the varieties of, you know, if you love shopping and if you love I don't know, like shopping and stuff like that, I think Delhi is good. Yeah, because you guys like have much bigger malls rather than in Bombay, and
And Delhi food is best.
yeah, I heard also the Delhi food is very good. But for the quality of people and for, like, you know, for stays and all, Bombay is the
my
best.
eyebrows.
Hmm?
My eyebrows are not done
It's okay. I will draw na later.
because of quarantine.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's not a big deal. You can
Yeah,
get more.
I don't know how people manage.
Manage what?
Like I have hairs on my hand.
Oh yeah, even me. See
People
all.
shave, but I don't
No,
like
no, I don't like
shaving.
shaving. I love waxing for
Yeah, that's why-
hands and for legs.
Bhaiya was asking why don't you shave your legs, and I don't like shaving and all.
No, no, shaving is
I always cut myself.
cutting. Oh,
Yeah.
pulling. No,
That's why I don't like shaving.
no, no, no. And then shaving, actually, it, you know, the growth is not good.
Yeah, it's very hard.
So you are planning to shift to Bombay.
Yeah, I really want to.
But you
Really
already
want
got, I mean, like, permission from your family.
Yeah, they don't have any problem.
They don't
If
have.
no, if I'm working or
I think your family is quite open-minded, right?
now they are open-minded. Before they do.
Huh.
Yeah,
But-
they
but what-
they don't even allow me to wear cut sleeves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
And-
But how they change?
I don't know time.
I think maybe they saw Vince also, like, you know,
Yeah.
maybe like growing good in this industry and all. Maybe, yeah.
Now my mom always support me, and she
Oh, that's
always give me suggestion. Take pictures like this, like
Really?
this, like this. Yeah,
Huh.
yeah. And
Wow.
I'm surprised what is happening.
But your mom is really pretty, actually.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Yeah.
People say.
Yeah, for Indians, seriously, I'm telling you, frankly saying, her mom is really pretty, and what I love about your mom, she's so decent.
Yeah, she is decent.
She's very decent. She's like my mom.
She is happy soul.
Yeah, like my mom-in-law, like Mom Krishna, right? Like my mom-in-law also never like talk shit, never like, she just like peace, right?
Yeah.
I just got to know that your mom really supporting in this. No, that's good.
I'm also surprised.
No, because guys, for your information, that Indian family is still like little bit conservative,
Yeah,
right? Like
yeah.
mostly, like not all,
Yeah, not no, all. Some
Like
are
75%.
Yeah.
right? 75% people like
And
more.
they think modeling is not good
Yes.
for girls and all
Yeah.
that. But if you want to do something by heart, you can do.
Yeah. Agree. Do whatever you like. Actually, that's most important.
And rest is your luck and
Yeah.
your hard work.
Yeah, and I also believe in luck. I will do some contouring for making it like settle down the color and all. But how's your dad? Your dad is supporting also?
Mm. He always say do whatever you want.
It's
do
good.
hard work and don't trust people easily.
Yeah. By the way, it's very important. Don't trust. Even Vin also always told me the same.
Yeah.
Because see, like the nature, like my nature, I always like never think bad about people. That's my nature actually. And in Bombay, some people sometimes just trying to be nice, and then actually behind that they have something, you know, you don't know, right? Like people's mind and all. So Vin also always telling me that don't trust people easily. People just, you know, trying to just talk and, you know, being good to you, but we never know like what's behind it. And I think that's in everywhere, by the way, not only in
Mine
India.
is like, if you are talking to me nicely or happily, I always think that you are a good person.
Yeah.
But you can't judge any person in one day or 2 days.
Agree.
This is bad about it.
No, that's why for me, we need to know also sometimes what kind of family background they are and what kind of job they do and all. Sometimes people just talk bullshit and they just want to interact to us, to be close to us, and later they will manipulate or do something bad.
And they don't even bother what other people feeling or
Yeah.
something like that.
Mean people are everywhere. So actually it's just like us, we need to be careful. If you guys little notice that the color shade is little changing, because I already put some contouring. Okay, and we're gonna apply the blush on. I really love my new products from Laura Mercier. This is also very nice for the blush. No, you just spin on, yeah. The color is really good and very easy to apply. Okay, and we have this from Too Faced. For this color, I think today I'm going to apply some dark color with the nude lipstick. Still, close your eyes. Oh yeah, see, if you guys watching my previous video, I have uploaded video that I visited Nani's house, which is your house also. So can you share your thoughts about people knowing that Indian family majority like living in the same house, right? Can you share like what's your feel by staying in the same house? I mean, like, see, problem will always there, right? I mean, with the family and
even
how
in nuclear family also there is problem.
Yeah, that's why you know, sometimes people careers like how it is by staying in the same house but just different floor. And then what do you feel, the bad and maybe in the good thing?
I feel living in the joint family is the best. It's a fun. You're living with your cousins, your
Yeah, I know.
you can have fun with your cousins. If I have something on my mind or I'm sad or something like that, I always go to my cousin sister Priyanka and share the secrets and we play together.
No, but luckily your sister cousin is also very fun. Like Priyanka is also fun, right?
Yeah. Our whole family is fun. Like Ben Rana, Reema Rana.
Reema is a special. Yeah, actually all fun and they are very chill.
Reema Rana is Phoebe. Phoebe character of Friends.
Huh?
There is a character in Friends.
In Friends? Okay.
Yeah, name is Phoebe.
Phoebe.
Yeah, she's so funny and
okay, and
always
same
talking.
like same like Reema.
Yeah, we eat together.
Oh, you eat together.
Yeah.
I see.
Like what moms make today, if I don't like, then I go upstairs.
Acha, I got it. Like you just go upstairs and then you check out to other what they are making.
Yeah. Then I eat that.
Ah, nice one. But you know, I think, I don't know this will be good or bad, but you know, if you have some news in the house, for example, like you do modeling, so everyone will know that you are doing modeling, you are going out for some shoots and all, right?
Everyone's know.
Yeah, it become like everyone knows like what time you coming home and all, right? I see. Indian people, Indian youngsters, they are already more modern, right? So
basically they are following foreign culture.
yeah, that's what I thought also. So I think I think that's actually it's still good, because see, even if you
everybody has
ask-
their own.
even if you ask me, I prefer to stay alone, like how I do with Vin right now. Kajal, close your eyes. Friend right now?
No, I'm single and don't want to be mingle.
Why?
No, I don't want.
And I don't know why. Why?
because I want to focus on my work only.
Blending is the key. Dan ini nanti gue bakal hapus semua. Ini very bad. Yeah, by the way, this oil is also good. I will use this Lona now. This is like oil. Look nice. But this is retinol oil. Reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. Let's check how it is. Check how it is. Wow, looking so pretty. It's pretty though. I like it. I like the eye makeup. I love everything. Settles so nice. See? Ta-da! Ta-da! Look at more here. Ooh, nice. I like it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe.
and don't forget also to follow Parul Instagram at
Parul_Dadwal.
okay. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to share also to your social media handle, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Thank you Parul for today.
Thanks for having me.
Bye bye.